Hello, and thank you for joining Power to the Next Level Living. This is evangelist and life coach Jennifer Jean. The message that I have today is that I hear a sound of abundance of rain in the land. First King in 18 says, and Elijah said to Ahab, go, eat and drink, for there is a sound of a heavy rain. Elijah climbed to the top of Mount Carmel. He bent down to the ground and he put his face between his knees. He said, go and look up toward the sea, he said to his servant. And his servant, he went up and he looked. Now the servant would come back and say, there is nothing there. Now the seventh time, Elijah said for him to go back. He said to his servant, go back. Now on this seventh time, the servant reported to Elijah, a cloud as small as a man's hand is rising from the sea. So Elijah was praying for the showers to be poured out upon the thirsty land. God have answered our prayer. There is an abundance of rain upon the land. If you go and read Psalm 46 and 10, he says, be still and know that I am God. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nation. I will be exalted in the earth. So, children of God, stop living a passive life. You don't have to be tossed to and fro. Stand still and know that He is God. The shower of rain, the abundance of rain is upon your life. Stop and hear. Hear the rain. Don't miss it. Stay tuned for the next time. And thank you for joining me. God bless you.